Okay, and welcome to the video series detailing you on how to use your calculators. First step, turning it on. Press the on button. Your calculator will turn on, and it will turn on with this blank screen. Some of you may have the TI logo and some information there when you first turn it on. That's okay. To get a blank screen, you just press enter to get through to that, and it'll bring you up to your calculation portion. So, I'm going to first off teach you some buttons. This I'll commonly refer to as the second button. This I'll commonly refer to as alpha. When I talk about the gray buttons up top, I'm talking about these. Other key buttons we'll use this year will be stat and vars for distribution. We'll also maybe see apps and math. Of course, you'll recognize these buttons from trigonometry. And these buttons here, the caret indicating to raise an exponent, so you could do something like 2 to the power 4, and it would calculate 2 to the power 4 as 16. Your value for pi is reached by doing second function pi. Your value for e is reached by doing second function divide, and so that's e, we can see it's 2.718. Your square root, your squaring terms, logarithm, the natural logarithm. Those are just some of the key buttons you're going to use. Of course, there's all these keypad ones and your standard operations on the grays. Other buttons that I'll have you use are your trackpad. So when I ask you to select and scroll up or down, I'm talking about these two arrows, and side to side is talking about these two arrows. These can also increase your contrast by pressing, you can also increase your contrast or your brightness by holding alpha and scrolling up, or alpha and scrolling down. Blue and scrolling up, or blue and scrolling down. But it is a little bit tricky to see an effect of that on the video. So that's your intro to your calculator. Next video, we'll start talking about some of the inline functions.